Hey there! In today's video, I wanted to show you how to flush the DNS cache on your Mac. There's actually a couple of different ways to do it, and none of them are really hard. So if one of the methods I walk through seems a little advanced for you, don't worry, I'll give you some other options too. But before we jump right into the deep end, let's start at the very beginning. To understand DNS cache, you have to know what DNS is. When you go to a website, the URL is actually linked to an IP address, and the DNS cache keeps a record of the IP address associated with the URLs you've visited recently. That way, when you go back to one of those sites, your Mac can find it faster. So, if a website updates their domain name server, but your Mac is still trying to access the old one, there will obviously be connection problems. That's why flushing your DNS cache can be so helpful. One of the easiest ways is by using the app CleanMyMac X. It's an app that's been notarized by Apple, and it's designed to not just clean your Mac, but also optimize its performance. If you scroll down to the video description, you can click on the link to download it for free. When you have CleanMyMac X downloaded and installed, go ahead and open it up. Then in the sidebar, click Maintenance. Select Flush DNS Cache and click Run. You can also run any combination, or even all, of these maintenance scripts at the same time. And one of the things I really love about CleanMyMac X is that the app explains what each script will do. So even if I don't know what script will fix the issue I'm having, I can click through all of them and see which one might work best. The next method is for the folks that are currently running macOS Monterey. This instruction works for macOS Big Sur as well. The first thing you'll want to do is open Terminal. If you don't know where to find it, you can go into your Applications folder and then open the Utilities folder. When Terminal opens, you're going to type this command and hit Enter. Then, Terminal will prompt you for your computer password. Go ahead and type that in and hit Enter. Something to note with Terminal is that it doesn't display your password. So when you're typing it, it looks like nothing is happening. But something is. Don't worry. If you missed the terminal command, there's no need to scroll back and pause this video. All the links and terminal commands mentioned in this video are down in the video description. That way you can just copy and paste them into terminal. No typing needed. Now, if you're running a Mac OS that's older than Big Sur, then this section is for you. You're going to open up Terminal. Again, that's in your Utilities folder. If you've never opened it before, you can also do a Spotlight search for it. Then, depending on what specific macOS version you have on your computer, you'll need to copy and paste one of these commands into the window. Make sure you head over to the video description to find the right one for your OS. When you type or paste the command into Terminal, type your password and hit Enter. That's all we have time for in today's video. Hopefully, flushing your DNS cache fixes the internet issues you've been experiencing, and that one of these methods really was easy for you to run on your own. As always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos with helpful tips and tricks to get the most out of your Mac. See you next time.